Impt token whitepaper complete overview. In this video, we are going to discuss Impt token whitepaper in more detailed way. As for your information, we have created a complete playlist on whitepaper of Impt token which you can watch on our channel's playlist, but in this part we will only discuss about Impt future of Carbon Point, which is the fundamental keynote for every investor who wants to take part in this project. So without wasting any time, let's get into its further details. Future of carbon credits 15. The demand for carbon credits will continue to rise. It is estimated that the volume of credits required globally will increase at least 20-fold by 2035. The increase in credit volumes will lead to rising supply costs. It is projected that prices for credits could rise to a central estimate of $80 to $150 per ton by 2035. Yet, these numbers could become lower if technology costs fall more rapidly or if the global abatement effort is less ambitious. The price trajectory has significant implications, as the price of carbon credits is directly associated with society's willingness to combat climate change. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, limiting global warming to 1.5 C above pre-industrial levels will require carbon emissions to be removed from the atmosphere. Yet, it is not clear which technologies will be able to remove carbon from the atmosphere at scale, and the costs of doing so. Tightening national carbon emissions budgets will likely make governments impose more stringent regulatory requirements, which in turn will reduce the space for voluntary carbon commitments. Moreover, tightening carbon emissions budgets will require organizations to use high-integrity carbon credits to meet regulatory obligations, particularly after 2035. It is also projected that the supply of carbon credits will become more standardized due to the competitive pressures and the requirements to scale up supply. Overall, the demand for carbon credits could increase by a factor of 15 by 2030 and by a factor of up to 100 by 2050. Meanwhile, the market for carbon credits could reach more than $50 billion in 2030. So, that's all about Impt.io mission. If you want to discover more about Impt.io whitepaper, then you can go on our channel and watch complete playlist on Impt.io whitepaper.